We added several updates to TenantCloud in 2025. These ones had the biggest impact. Faster report insights. We added instant previews to all 17 of our reports, giving you an overview of your numbers in seconds. Visual occupancy board. New visual lease timeline helps you spot upcoming vacancies all at once. AI listing assistant Claudia. Create professional listing descriptions and stand out from other listings with our built-in writing assistant Claudia. Tenant app upgrades. The Tenant app now includes utility setup and rent reporting, so tenants can onboard faster and even build their credit history right from the app. Legal forms by state. Expand your document collection with attorney-approved autofill forms for every state. That's not all. We also added Zumper to our listing partners. Plus, more options for rent invoices, additional tenant screening and income verification, design updates to the balances page, bulk actions on the maintenance and leases tabs, new built-in PDF editor. We wrapped it all up with a smoother overall flow, including a new left side menu and organizational tabs. Check out all these changes in your TenantCloud account. Your best property management year is just getting started.